Hey, this is HeadshotTheatre, and I'm gonna teach you how to do something like this. Like in the Bad Boys trailer, where there's two different colors that cover the screen. I call it color gradient. And right here is orange at the top and blue at the bottom. I'm gonna teach you how to do that in Sony Vegas. So first thing to do is get into Sony Vegas, obviously, and get a clip out on your timeline. Some random clip I had. Insert a new video track. Go to media generators, then go to color gradient and choose soft blue backdrop. Just quit out of that and drag it over to the size of the clip. There you go. Now, as you can see right now, it looks just like that. It's kind of messed up. So the trick is go to video compositing mode right here, and then change it to from source alpha to overlay. And there you go. You kind of have it already there. It looks kind of messed up though. So to make it look like the clip in Bad Boys, well, how they had in Bad Boys, go to generated media, and then go to click the top gradient first. Try to change it to an orangey color. So go to change, find an orange color that looks similar. That looks pretty good. And then maybe change the bluish color to maybe more. Oops. Change the bluish color maybe to more of a greenish blue, like that. So yeah, it's kind of looking like it already. But the trick is to make it look a bit less orangey is to go to this bar right here and make it more transparent. Let's drag this down and do the same for the bottom gradient. And there you kind of have something there. Looks like it. So yeah, if you play the clip over, kind of looks like it already. But it looks kind of dark, so I'm gonna brighten it up a bit. Go into video effects, go into bump map, and then choosing one. I already have a preset, but go to large spotlight and drag it on the layer, not the clip, just the layer, so it applies to all your clips on that layer. So you kind of brighten it up a bit. Then you drag the little circle thing where the spotlight's being positioned into the middle. Drag this down to around 3.5. Drag the intensity down. Drag the focus down, or actually drag the focus up. And then drag the intensity down around like 2. And there you go. Kind of a vignette type thing here. Yep, and that's pretty much it. I'll just add another tip into this. Something you can do to make your clip look a bit better, in my opinion, is to go to a Gaussian blur. Then I already have a preset here, so I'll just drag that on. Drag it into your layer. And what that does is just the lowest possible blurring, so it's 0.001. And it actually makes it look a lot better. Watching and subscribe.